So far, look at the cart, guys.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control.
What is going on, family? I have been grinding it out, guys. I missed about 2 days of upload, family. I missed 2 days of uploading. My bad. Listen, I've been grinding it out. I've been grinding it out, guys. I have so much stuff I'm working on right now. Like, my brain is like, wow, like, so it's crazy. But yeah, yeah, family. Listen, check it out. I haven't really got to all the comments and questions. I'm gonna do that today, tonight, probably. I'm gonna be replying to a lot of you guys. So I haven't really seen anything. But what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to do some retail arbitrage. Right now is the most important time, guys, to get shipments in. I mean, just right now, early December, you want to do like your biggest shopping yet if you can. If you have some extra money to do it right now. If you already signed up, do it now. If you're not signed up, sign up and do it now, guys. And get it in immediately so that it can get out for Christmas, you know, because it's going to be gifts. Everyone's buying. It's just insane right now. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to do some retail arbitrage. I'm going to the Goodwill right now to see what I can find. And I may even hit some big brand stores, some bigger stores, to just get some stuff that's gonna sell really fast. But yeah, fam, you guys want to do all your shopping right now. It's very important. All right, very, very important to get it in as soon as possible for December so that it can get out for Christmas. There will be a lot of shopping the month after, like January. There still will be a lot of shopping because a lot of people are gonna get gift cards for Amazon. Keep that in mind. Is it too late for you? No, just hop on now, get it going, and yeah, just get stuff in because there will be a lot of shopping even in January. There will be a lot of shopping because of Amazon gift cards as gifts. Like, it's the new thing. Everybody's getting gift cards. All right, family, we're at the Goodwill. My camera is about to die. My phone is about to die. So let's make this quick. Let's get it. Alright, family, so when there's a lot of people in the store, I use the drive and drop method, guys, which is this: you just ride through the store and just drop stuff in the cart. Don't even stop to scan because there's too many people in here. Somebody might grab it. So if you see something, just drop it in. Alright, look, you see this? Boom. Just drop it in. Drop that in too. Drop that in too. We're gonna scan later because there's too many people in here. So worry about scanning later. Just drop stuff in. Like, okay, maybe these. Let's drop all these in here. You know, these are lights, but let's just drop them all in there. What is this? Sandbox. It's open, but it might be new. Let's drop that in there. I mean, just drive and drop, guys. I'm so serious. Watch this. What are these? Definitely, let's drop that in there. Let's drop this in there. Let's see. Let's drop this in there. This may be used, I don't know. So we're gonna drop this in there too. What is this down here? Whatever this is. Oh, I actually wanted one of these. But let's check it out. Let's drop this in there. Oh shit. So far, look at the cart, guys. Of course, all of that's not coming home. Just driving and dropping. Excuse me. Now, family, after you fill up your cart with the drive and drop method, you want to find a nice quiet place to scan everything. So let me come over here on the sofa. I'm gonna sit down and scan in private, in peace. Oh, okay, now I'm here, guys. So I found a nice little spot. It's crazy in here. So that is the drive and drop method. Drive and drop everything in the cart. Now Now I'm gonna scan everything one by one and see what I can find for profits. Hopefully something. Maybe nothing, but hopefully something. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's already worth the trip. I'm gonna show you guys something. So out of all this stuff I just put to the side so far, I found this one item so far. Check it out. It's right here, guys. Let me brighten my screen, but my phone's about to die, so I didn't wanna. Alright. Here we go, guys. So check it out. Here's the item right here. You know, look what it's going for. It cost me 20 bucks, right? So there you have it. So if I put in the cost of purchase at 20 bucks, and for all you little, oh, the shipping. Okay, this product doesn't even weigh a pound, but let's just say, look, I'm gonna put in what it costs, 20 bucks, right? Let's put in 20 bucks. It costs 20 bucks, so there go my profits. There go my profits right there. But oh, the shipping, oh my god, the shipping. All right, you know what, let's just say the shipping costs, I don't give a crap, let's say the shipping costs 30 bucks. Okay, the shipping's 30 bucks. Look at my profit, $65, and I'm still spending 20 to make I will make $65 profit at $20 the cost of purchase, and even $30 for the shipping. But it's not gonna cost $30 to ship that. For all you complainers out there, oh, the shipping, oh my god, the shipping, you don't calculate the shipping. Okay, there you go. I put the shipping cost at $30 and I'll still make 65 bucks profit. Bye bye. Oh, boo-hoo. My daggone phone died, guys, so I couldn't scan anymore. But I walked out with this, right? The one item I told you guys, that I showed you guys. And actually, there was another one I seen right before my phone died, one of the routers. I think it was making me money, but you can't, with Amazon and you know, and your reselling business, you don't want to think, you want to be sure. So I thought it was gonna make me some money, and I have to come back to be sure that it is. But my phone died, nothing I can do about that, guys. I should have recharged it. I should have charged my phone before I came out, but you know, you slip sometimes. Yeah, I was caught slipping. But yeah, family, so one item cost me 20 bucks and it's gonna make me close to $100 in profit, guys. Now you've seen what I did. People like to, look, to be honest, family, I just want to be honest with you guys. Like, y'all are my fam for real, and I read the comments and I try to reply to everybody, and I honestly do reply to everybody. It just takes me a little time to get to you sometimes because I got so much other stuff going on, including my baby girl. She's a handful when daddy washes her all day. So yeah, guys, yeah, but I've been seeing some people talk about the shipping and how come I don't set up the shipping and blah blah blah, the shipping. I just showed you why. Like, I just showed you why. In all honesty though, like, the shipping really isn't a big deal. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna say that. Now, I can get backlash for this video from the bigger guys, right? The other bigger YouTubers who resell. I don't, yeah, okay, whatever. To, like, for real, what I'm doing right now, to be honest with you guys, the shipping is not a big deal when you are shopping at bargain stores, Goodwill, thrift shops, stores like that. Shipping does come into play, and I will be honest about that. If you are shopping at the regular big box stores, like if you're shopping at Walmart, Target, Burlington, you know, these other stores that are not giving you 200% ROI, 1000% ROI, 500% ROI. But when it comes to stuff like this, that I bought it for 20, and the profits after buying it, after buying it, the profits, what I'm left with, the profits, just so I can be clear to you guys, was around 90 bucks, right? 90, I forget what it was already, but it was close to $100 in profit. In profits, guys. Let's be real. Am I worried about shipping for that? Would you be worried? I want to ask you, would you be worried about shipping for that? BSR is great. It is brand new, and there's a ton of good reviews. Amazon's not on the listing, and it is just, the box is even in good condition, and you're making close to $100 in profit, and you bought it for 20 bucks. Are you worried about the shipping? I'll wait. Exactly. So yeah, that being said, family, I want to make this a quick one. I'm probably going to upload another one because I missed 2 days of uploading, guys, so I might upload another one. Yeah, and yeah, it's peace and love. Just a one-off product today. My phone died, nothing I can really do about that. But if you guys are new here, stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you guys on a daily, you know, how to flip some money and make money. This is what I do all the time. I'm always flipping money. I always spend my money on things that can make me more money. Yeah, I'm even starting another channel that has something to do with something totally, completely different that I'm not going to mention right now. I have like 3 or 4 YouTube channels now. Guys, yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell to become family. High velocity sales, guys. Turn it up. Let's go. It's peace and love. Y'all my fam. I'll see you till next time. I'm out, guys. Peace.